was picking his. Oh, he was picking his. He's going in for another pick.
Get ready. I'm gonna play some Gears of War.
Alright, he says he's going to snipe somebody, but he usually dies because he's horrible.
Chainsaw.
No, he's going to chainsaw someone. Oh, there it is.
He's going to every round, yo. Alright, let me get another one. Yeah.
Oh, he got 2 chainsaws.
Yeah.
3 at the same time. All
them chainsaw. All them chainsaw. Yeah.
How does it feel to have chainsawed every single person on the other team?
Well, I don't know. It feels good, but I have mixed feelings.
Yeah, it's a love-hate sort of thing?
No.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what... Oh, quick!
Oh!
Wait, I got another one.
He's gotta get him, he's hunting him down. Oh, he got him. How's it feel to have chainsawed everyone?
It feels great to have chainsawed everyone. Hey, Wolf, you're gonna be on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube for getting chainsawed. Stop. Alright, watch this round then. Alright. We'll do one more round. Yeah, I'm recording it.
Alright. There you go. 2 more chainsaws. Yeah. Oh, final kill by me again.
Alright. Oh yeah, Wolf, as I said, you're gonna be on YouTube for getting chainsawed. Oh, someone quit on our team. Record that.
This is the camera.
Stop.
Yeah, someone left a mark.
I burped. Okay, bye.